22 divided by 7. Here 7 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 7. 7 times 0, 0, 7 times 1, 7, 7 times 2, 14, 7 times 3, 21, 7 times 4, 28. To find out the multiplication table of 7, just add 7 with the previous step. 0 plus 7, 7, 7 plus 7, 14, 14 plus 7, 21, 21 plus 7, 28, 28 plus 7, 35. 7 goes into 2 how many times? Since 2 is less than 7, 0 times. 0 times 7, 0 times 7, 0. Subtract 2, bring down the next digit. 7 goes into 22 how many times? 4 times 28, which is greater, so 3 times. Write 3. 3 times 7, 21. Subtract, you are getting 1. So your answer is 0, 3 means 3. 3 remainder 1. But if you want to write your answer in decimal form, then you need to convert this whole number 22 into a decimal number. Add decimal and then you can add any number of 0. Bring down the first 0, but before the 0 there is a decimal. Decimal must come to the quotient directly. 7 goes into 10 how many times? 2 times 14, which is greater, so 1 time. 1 times 7, 7. Subtract 3. Bring down the next 0. 7 goes into 30 how many times? 4 times, right? 4. 4 times 7, 28. Subtract, you are getting 2. Bring down the next 0. So 7 goes into 20 how many times? 3 times 20, which is greater, 2 times. Right, 2. 2 times 7, 14. So if you subtract, you are getting 6. Okay. 20. 20. Okay, 3 times 2. Okay, 2 times 14. That is 6. If you subtract, you are getting 6. So actually this process will continue. As you have gotten 3 digits after decimal, you can place 3 dot here to mean that this division process is continuing after getting 3 digits. So 3.142 dot 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 is our answer.